Paige, I don't know what to make. Paige, help, I don't know what to make. Please make a bag video. Please make a video. 50 crochet ideas for bags. 50 bag video. Bag, 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 bag. Hi, I'm here with what you asked for. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. Happy to have you again. Okay, today's video we have one that is, again, highly requested. Okay, we're getting through all the highly requested ones at the beginning of the year because my list is getting long. So this video is our 50 bag crochet ideas. Okay, we've got lots of bags, 50 to be exact. We have 3 categories. I wasn't gonna do categories for this because usually I'll do like just one big bag category, but there are just some I kind of wanted to seclude a little and put it in like its own little area. So that's what I did for this one. So we have like funky bags, kind of like, why did I do this? Funky bags, unique, like, okay, well that's interesting, I haven't seen that before, kind of bags. And then tapestry bags, where it's just mostly tapestry crocheting. So if you're like specifically looking for tapestry, go to that category, and if you're not, skip over that category because I would skip it. And then everything else is in like the final little part. So before we jump into the first category, everything I said, as always, is listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. Okay, so let's jump into the first category we have, which is our funky bags. So unique, one of a kind, interesting, you've probably never seen, kind of little category. So to start this video off with a bang, let's look at this Furby bag. Thought it was so funny. I was looking for bags for this video, obviously, and I came across this one and I was like, I need to show everyone. Even if you don't make it, your eyes need to look upon this. So there you go. Furby bag. You can also make this little cottage bag, or this frog holding a heart bag, or even this waffle with some butter bag. Okay, you can make this bus, you can make this toast with legs, adorable. You can even make that goose one that's like everywhere, where the goose neck is the handle. And you can make this chicken clutch. Okay, chicken clutch, which I will be making, so stay tuned for that one. That's all of our funky ones. I just wanted to get those out first. Okay, so now that we got our funky ones done, let's do our tapestry crochet. So if you're not a tapestry, you can skip to the next category. I have everything marked out down on the bottom. So for the tapestry, we have this heart shoulder bag, which I have attempted and have yet to complete thoroughly. You can also make a cow print little shoulder bag, or this wild mushroom tote, or even one that's like flowers, like this one. You can make this Snoopy one, which I recommended before in another video, super cute. You can make this black and white cat bag, or this 8-ball bag, or even this cozy home tote bag, or a Hello Kitty bag, Hi Barbie bag. This one's interesting, Garfield. Some of you guys are obsessed with Garfield. I've seen the word Garfield in my comments many times, so that's for you. You can also make this cute little black cat tote, and a kind of like melty smiley face tote. And then the wiener dog shoulder bag that's everywhere. I've seen it everywhere, so I kind of love it. And I'm like 50-50 because I hate tapestry crochet, but it's almost cute enough to make me do it. That's all the tapestry crochet bags we have, so let's just go into our last category, which is everything else. Okay, it's not tapestry, they're not funky, they're just cute. Alright, so for our like more basic, you've probably seen these before category, we've got this Star Messenger bag. You can make, this one is a rose granny square bag, but I showed this specifically to show you that you can literally pick any granny square and make this style bag with that granny square. You can also make the foldable market bags I'm seeing, where they fold down into like a little fruit or vegetable, and then they like pop out into market bag like this. Like, I love that. You can make a checkered bag with flower on it, or even this like windy, windy tote bag, which I'm just now realizing is tapestry crochet. So that should be in the other category, but we're already here, so here it is. You can also make bags based off of like your favorite musicians or albums. Like this one's a sour one from Olivia Rodrigo. That's kind of cool. Or even this one's like Harry Styles inspired. I like that. That's kind of cool. You could really take like anyone you like listening to and make it into a tote bag. This one I fell across, which in love. I've never seen it before. I think it's probably new. She probably just posted it or something, because I know if it's out there, I know about it. Okay, so this Love You Very Much bag, look at her. Look at this. I'm adding it to my list. I love it. You can make a grab and go bag, or even this like tulip bag, or like a retro flower smaller circle bag. You can make this crisscross crochet bag, which literally just looks like a bunch of strips of like 2" by 3" strips and then like weaved in together. That's kind of cool. You can make a checkered bag, shoulder bag like this one. I actually made these ones. That was a really fun tutorial. It was a YouTube tutorial, so I recommend it. Definitely recommend that one. You can make a star bag, which is actually on my to be crocheted list, which you'll probably see me doing a crochet with me for that one. You can make this flower tote bag, or even this sheep one. I see it a lot and it's so cute. And you can make a mushroom bag. I made this mushroom bag off of a pattern I got on Etsy. I'll link it down below. Obviously, that's what this video is for. You can make a basic like granny square, just like a basic back to the basic granny square bag like this one. You can make a kind of Valentine's heart granny square stitch tote, or even a strawberry puff granny square bag like this one. Or this strawberry and cream handbag, which I kind of love, that it looks like there's whipped cream around it. And I added this one. This was like a fanny pack, or I guess it's called like a waist crochet crossbody bag. But it's like a fanny pack with granny squares. So easy, simple. You can make a fluffy tote bag with blanket yarn, or even this French market bag. You can take your scrap yarn and like leftover yarn you have that's not like full skeins, and you can make squares, not granny squares, just like normal squares with like double crochets like this, and make a tote bag. Also, you could make this tote bag, girl, this crocheted bag with different size flower appliques. Super cute. The bag itself is very simple, but the appliques just add like a whole nother little layer to it. You can make this bag that has, it's just like a white bag with strawberry appliques on it. Super cute. You could also make that. I love it. So that is all I have for our 50 crochet bag ideas or patterns. But I did want to say, if you are making a bag and you're like, I've seen this question in my comments so much, so I'm going to address it here since we're already talking about bags. But a lot of you guys are like, how do you make your bags not stretch out? Because a lot of the time crochet bags, the strap stretches out, the heart of it stretches out just from being full. And my answer to you is sew in a liner. Okay, there are videos on the YouTube. You know, on the YouTube, how old am I? Where's my head? Anyway, there are YouTube videos showing you how to sew in a lining on crochet bags. I will find one for you. I'll put it at the bottom of the 50 list. I'll put it at the end if you are curious about how to do that. I'll put one or two. I'll try and find a couple. But that is what I do with any bag that hasn't stretched out. It's because I lined it. And you do not have to know how to hand sew. I don't know how to hand sew. People will tell you you have to hand sew your liners in. You can't like machine stitch it. They're lying to you, because I've machine stitched every single bag I've ever lined, and it worked perfectly. It worked perfectly, and I've had no issues. So if you have a sewing machine or in your house, maybe it's yours, maybe it's not yours, but you were going to use it, you can use it on your crocheted stuff. Okay, don't let anybody tell you that you can't. I literally spent so long trying to learn how to hand crochet or hand sew, because every time I looked it up, it was like hand sew your lining, hand sew your lining, and I couldn't figure it out. And then one day I was just like, I'm gonna try the damn machine. I'm not gonna listen to anybody. I'm gonna try the machine, and it worked. Honestly, I think it's stronger than hand sewing. So anyway, little rant about sewing machines and crochet. But yes, sew lining in, okay? In the bulk of the bag. And if your strap is stretchy, sew like a long piece of fabric on the inside of the strap too, and it won't stretch. There are also stitches you can do that won't stretch your well, stitches you can do for your strap that will keep it from stretching. But if you're following a pattern and you don't want to do that, then just add some fabric at the end. Anyway, I'm going to bed. Thank you for watching. As always, everything I said is linked in the description box below. In the order that I said it, linked to paid or free, written or video tutorials that you can make whatever I'm showing you. If you're looking for the picture that I showed on the screen, it's all on a cohesive Pinterest board. The Pinterest board is also linked down below because I link everything for you guys because I love you guys and I want you guys to be able to create whatever you want to create, okay? If there's a video I haven't done for you, comment it down below and I'll add it to the list and I'll get it done. Other than that, subscribe to my channel for more and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. I love you. Bye.